Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, hello everyone. Hello everyone. This time I will try to describe uh, about my article about mobile learning designed to increase the and attract interest in learning Nahu Science Android based. Uh, the first is introduction. Nah, in introduction, uh, I want to describe about what is now our understanding of the word. First, language is important communication tool for human. Uh, uh, One of the important components in language is a grammar or Nahu. Nahu learning is often considered. Number two, Nahu learning is often considered uh, boring and boring and difficult for students and to understand. This is due to the method. The learning used is still traditional and less interesting. Number three, can present learning material. Nah, in a more interesting and easy to understand why way and help students learn an, in a more enjoyable and effective way. Nah, number four, develop a Nahu learn, develop a Nahu training game. Nah, web-based that uses interactive multimedia application to help students. Nah, learn Nahu in a more fun and effective way. Nah, next, what is a no? What is the gap we want to fill? Nah, number one, the title does not state the target users to this mobile. Nah, to this mobile learning application. Nah, in this application, intended intended for school student, college student, or public student, or public general. Number two, the title does not explain in detail nah, about the feature that is mobile learning application will often what feature will help increase and attract interest in learning Nahu science. Some example of the features that can be added, interactive and number interactive and interesting learning material. Nah, educational game to test understanding. Nahu dictionary, discussion forum to interact with other user, and last assignment feature to attract learning progress. Nah, number three, the title does not explain the learning nah, method that will be used in this mobile learning application. What learning method will be used to help user learn Nahu knowledge effectively. Some example of learning method that can be used gamification-based learning, adaptive learning, micro-learning, and collaborative learning. Nah, next, how and why? How and why should we fill the gap? Your relational and purpose or hypothesis. Nah, number one, not informative. Titles that are not informative does not provide a clear picture of the research carried out, making it difficult to attract reader interest. Number two, misunderstanding. Now, lack of information in the title can lead to misinterpretation of the purpose and scope of the research. Number three, judgment difficult. No information complete. It is difficult for reader to assess the quality and contribution of the research. Nah, next, research and method. Uh, for this discussion, for this research and method, uh, this research use two main methods: data collection method and system development method. Nah, research design. Number one is research design. The research design follow the SDLC or waterfall model, which consists of several stages starting from system requirement analysis, design, coding, to testing. Number two, population and sample. The research population include madrasah and Islamic boarding school in the Tangerang area. Samples were taken out direct observation interviews. Nah, uh, with the community, student and teachers, as well as literature study from various reference journals and books relate to Android-based learning. Number three is instrument. The instrument used to this research include observation, interviews, and literature study to collect the necessary data. Number four is next the instrument. For the next is procedure. The research procedure consists of live main stage, problem identification, looking for exciting problem to get the desired solution. Uh, next, system requirement analysis to analyze the requirement of the system created. Uh, uh, the next, designing application. Nah, designing application according to user needs. The next, application test. Carrying out application testing to ensure its feasibility. Nah, the next, implementation of the application by the use that he been created. The next is research. What result did you get? Now, this result have interview results, observation results, and documentation results. This one, interview results here show that the community student and teacher and madrasah and Islamic boarding school in Tangerang area generally support the use of Android-based application for learning. They consider this application to be effective, easy to use, and can increase interest in learning. Number two is observation results. Nah, direct observation at madrasah and Islamic boarding school will be the exciting infrastructure to sufficient to support to implementation Android-based learning application. Apart from that, the students seem enthusiastic about using the technology as a learning aid. Document learning aid, yeah. Number 3 is documentation result. Nah, the documentation results, literature studies from the various journals and book reference show that learning through Android-based application has many advantages. This application not only facilitates the teaching and learning process, but also allow for more flexible and interesting learning for users. These results here. The next is discussion. How to fill in these result gaps. And to answer the gaps. Yeah. This discussion have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points in this discussion. The first is increase interest in learning. Nah, the Android-based application developed success in increasing interest in learning among santri and students. They feel more interest and motivation to learning using this application compared to conventional methods. Number 2 is easy of use. Observation and interview results show that this application is easy to use by all groups, including teacher and student. Nah, this eases the process of adapting technology in an educational environment. Learning number 3 is learning flexibility. These apps allow for more flexible learning. Students can learn anytime and anywhere about being limited by time and place, which is very helpful in improving learning effectiveness. Number 4, increase understanding of material. Literature studies and documentation results show that the material present in the application is easier for students to understand. This is because the application provides various interactive features such as educational games that make learning more fun. Number 4, instructor support. Direct observation at madrasah and Islamic boarding schools show that the exciting infrastructure and sufficient to support the implementation of this application. Facilities such as internet connection and Android device are available at most institutions. Last, positive response from teacher and community. Interviews with teacher and community have shown that they support to use this application. They see this application as effective to improve the quality of education. And the last is conclusion. In this conclusion, what does it mean for use going forward? Nah, this point is have 5 points. First one, implication for the future. The result of this research have several important implications for the future educational in madrasah and Islamic boarding school, especially in the context of this use of Android-based technology. Nah, uh, number 1 is improving the quality of education. Uh, with the adoption of Android-based learning application, the quality of education in madrasah and Islamic boarding school can improve. This application facilities and the teaching and learning process. It makes the material easier for students to understand. Number 2 is flexibility and accessibility. This application allows students to study anytime, anywhere, without being limited by time and place. This is especially important in today's digital era, where flexibility to accessibility are key. Number three is increase the interest and motivational in learning. Using interactive in interesting application can increase student interest and motivation is learning. Features such as educational games making learn more fun and less boring. Uh, Number four, infrastructure support. Observe infrastructure support. Observations show that the infrastructure in madrasa and Islamic boarding school is sufficient to support the implementation of this application. Thus, there are no significant technical barrier to adoption of his technology. And last, development of new learning methods. This research paves to the way for development of new learning methods that are more in line with current developments. The using technology in education will become increasingly important in the future. And in the future, increase the increase. Sorry, this last point is not included to this presentation. Nah, the point last of this discussion, increase the digital complementance by using Android-based application, but teacher and student will become more familiar with digital technology. This will increase the digital complementers, which which is critical in increasingly digitally connected world. Nah, thank you for your attention. Sorry for uh, mohon maaf atas segala apabila ada kesalahan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.